Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
This video, we'll learn how to install projector headlights for a 1992 to 1996 Ford F-150. We can begin by removing the weather shield. In order to get to the driver's side headlight, we must first remove the coolant and water reservoir. After the bolt is unscrewed, we can go ahead and take out the water reservoir and unplugging the water sensor. Once the sensor is unplugged, we can now move the water reservoir slightly over to work on the headlight. This shot shows us removing the headlight harness, the bumper light harness, also, there are two red arrows showing where the two 11mm bolts are. At the front of the projector, we will notice that there are two more additional red arrows for two screws that are on top of the headlights. We can now gently wiggle out the brackets for the corner lights and the bumper lights. The three clips that need to be taken out needs to be saved for the new projectors. Please also take out the two lower screws. On the back of the headlight bracket, there is two bolts that hold the corners. After the corner light and bumper light are taken out, and you only have the bracket left, bring over the new projector headlights to the bracket. At this point, we can make sure that all the screws are screwed back in so that the projector headlights are mounted to the brackets. We can now bring the projector headlights back into its original location. Plug back all the wires and harnesses we unplugged from earlier. At this point, please follow all the steps from removing the headlights in reverse. Your brand new Ford F-150 projector headlights are ready to light up the streets. Please make sure that all lighting is checked before taking your vehicle out on the road.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.